Everybody wants to be rich. It is a lifelong dream for some people to live in a comfortable house, own a car collection, or travel the world in style. But how do rich people manage to do things like this? What is the secret to success? Today at Finance Spur, we'll learn about the 15 secrets of the rich. But before that, hit the subscribe button for more videos about finance, technology, and business. Number 1. The early bird gets the worm. Rich people prioritize acquiring money early in life. Rather than following the ideology of saving small amounts daily, they focus on building their wealth by investing and reinvesting. Successful businessmen and investors are risk takers and go all in their ventures, investing every penny for growth. Saving small amounts alone does not lead to long-term success. Yes, you can save $1 per day to get $365 a year, but instead of limiting yourself and saving a small percentage of your income, you can reinvest extra money into projects or businesses with the potential for significant financial gain. This approach can reduce the lifelong stress of money and debt, making your lifestyle more comfortable than others. Number 2. Corporations are different from individuals. Corporations follow different rules than individuals, and being financially literate enables you to navigate the business world correctly. Knowing these distinct rules is important today, as you need more financial knowledge to put you in the right position. To draw a picture, consider this example. If you are an employee, you receive your income and a significant portion of your salary, let's say 50%, is deducted from taxes and other fees by the government. You are left with 50% of your salary to spend and save. However, many people need to know that corporations have different tax treatment. They can reinvest their earnings into their business before being taxed, resulting in potential tax savings. By reinvesting all generated income, a business can avoid paying taxes altogether. Fortunately, establishing a corporation for personal financial savings is a straightforward and affordable process that doesn't require employees, which is completely legal. Number 3. Understand where you invest. Investing in what you understand is crucial for financial success. Many people have experienced cryptocurrency and pyramid scheme losses because they ventured into unfamiliar territory. It's not a hidden secret, but a common occurrence. Invest in areas where your knowledge surpasses others' to avoid constant losses. Beware of online training programs and promises of quick results with trendy methods. The wealthy only chase some new trends. Instead, they master one area and leverage their expertise to profit. Stick to investing in things you genuinely understand, whether it's cars or social media. Number 4. The rich builds notoriety. Building notoriety and making yourself known to others is a significant factor in establishing trust. Trust is necessary for people to buy from you, date you, or recognize your potential within a company. The more people who know who you are, what you do, and your values, the greater their trust in you becomes, which results in providing you with more opportunities. Thanks to modern technology and social media platforms, breaking free from anonymity has never been easier, as billions of people are waiting to be introduced to you. Number 5. Focus on income. The wealthy prioritize increasing their income rather than solely focusing on saving. The key question to ask yourself is how to boost your income until you have more than enough money. Most people are unaware of the saying known among the rich: nobody saves their way to billionaire. Wealth is indeed built through active efforts rather than wasted opportunities. Saving becomes relevant only after maximizing your income, and even then, it's important to strategize where to allocate that income for generating new revenue streams without limitations. The rich constantly seek to bring in more money because the goal is to achieve wealth in the present, not when you're 70 or 80 years old, when physical limitations may hinder enjoyment. Number 6. Always write. Putting agreements in writing is crucial. While handshake deals may seem reasonable, they come with significant risks and have often resulted in people being taken advantage of. The wealthy understand this and always document their agreements. The reality is that circumstances change, and everyone is focused on protecting themselves. You should do the same. When asked to take on extra work, ensure you have written communication to reap the rewards later and have proof of the agreement. If a plan approved by your supervisor doesn't go as expected, keep receipts as evidence. Any agreement or situation beyond your control should be documented. Transparency encourages honesty and accountability. Number 7. The rich could be more diversified. The wealthy don't believe in excessive diversification. There has been a misconception that the more diversified your investments are, the safer your wealth becomes. However, this notion is untrue. Money needs oversight and active management to circulate and generate returns, which is difficult when spread too thin. On average, rich individuals allocate their earnings into 3 separate wealth pools, and in rare cases, up to 5. Even Elon Musk, a highly successful CEO of multiple companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter, needs a backup plan to manage 4 companies simultaneously. Instead of excessive diversification, focus on strategic allocation and actively overseeing a few key investments. Number 8. They get rich using other people's money. The rich achieve wealth by utilizing other people's money, which may initially sound confusing to many. However, this is a secret understood by those who know the concept of money. Regular people often use other people's money but end up paying it back themselves. They rely on credit cards for everyday expenses, resulting in the burden of loan repayment. Similarly, education is funded by borrowing, leading to crushing debt upon graduation. But it is different for the rich. They borrow money and have others pay it back. They borrow from the bank to construct buildings, sell the properties with added costs, return a portion to the bank, and keep the profit. The key lies in understanding that value extends beyond money, encompassing ideas, management, and execution. Number 9. Have separate investments. The rich have different investments for short-term and long-term plans. While many people focus on surviving month to month, the rich think about their future. Short-term investments are those expected to yield profits within the next year or the decade. This includes new businesses, trend-based ventures, or property flipping. On the other hand, long-term investments, known as for forever, are assets that could have value after 50 to 100 years or more, mostly art, land, or heritage properties. These forever investments secure wealth for future generations and serve as a foundation for increasing family wealth. A notable example is the wealthiest families in Florence, France, who have maintained and grown their wealth for nearly 600 years. If you're a beginner, prioritize investing short-term to capitalize on current opportunities and kickstart your path to wealth. Number 10. Rich people look at the value before purchasing. This may seem thrifty because they aim to get the most out of every item they buy. But instead of constantly upgrading to the latest model or the current trend, they use their items and products for as long as possible, or in some situations, until it breaks. For example, rich people usually drive a 10-year-old car that still meets their needs, or live in a cheap house. While many people fall into the cycle of buying and replacing items every year or when a new trend pops up, rich people understand the importance of quality and longevity. Number 11. They use safety nets. Rich people rarely face financial problems because they have a robust safety network. These networks consist of carefully chosen individuals who they form mutually beneficial partnerships. They rely on each other for advice, support, and pool resources to reduce risks. It's similar to having friends with benefits, except the benefits are financial freedom and security. By leveraging their network, rich people can navigate challenges and seize opportunities more confidently. They understand the power of collaboration and know that success is often built on the strength of relationships. Number 12. Take advice from intelligent people. Wealthy people understand the importance of seeking advice from more knowledgeable and experienced people. They have mentors, advisors, and professionals who guide them to avoid mistakes. While this guide or professionals can be expensive, it's worth its weight in gold. Learning from those who have achieved greatness in your desired field is crucial. Even if it requires investment, find a mentor whose teaching style resonates with you and embrace the value of learning from others. Number 13. Rich people bend the rules. Rich people can alter the rules in their favor. They don't have to accept the status quo and can use the rules to their advantage. While this can be controversial and sometimes lead to abuse, it adds an exciting dynamic to the game. For example, Hasbro launched a female version of Monopoly where women start with more money and receive additional benefits, which raises questions about the meaning of feminism. However, consumers have the power to vote with their money. In addition, the rich set goals and plan their year using a proven framework, allowing them to consistently achieve success, while others often fail to keep up with their resolutions. Number 14. Set goals that are achievable. Rich people set goals based on their past performance and realistic growth potential. They then break these goals into smaller parts and create systems to increase their chances of success. The key lies in breaking goals into manageable steps and establishing supporting goals. Making small changes to their daily routine can make a significant result. By focusing on these strategies, the rich can achieve big outcomes. Lastly, there are no secrets to success. There are no potions or magic spells that can make you rich instantly. Only hard work, perseverance, and risk-taking can make you succeed. Check out our channel for more amazing videos about finance stories, new technologies, and business tips and ideas. If you like this video, please click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for upcoming videos. But for now, this is Finance Spur. Have a great day.